Students, to learn more about evaporation, let's watch this activity. Here you can see that water is getting heated up. So as you know that the change of water into vapor on heating is called evaporation. So here evaporation is taking place because the water is changing into vapor and it can be seen coming out as vapor, which is a gaseous form. So liquid water changes to a gaseous form called vapor. Students, you can see that I have ice cubes in this steel plate. So ice cubes have made this plate cold. So what happens when water vapor which are coming from this pan after heating touches this cold surface or plate? Let's see. Yes, you can see that water is dripping down as drops from here. So from where this water has come? These are the water vapor which have changed into water once again on touching this cold plate. So this process of changing water vapor back into water on cooling is called condensation. Students, let's learn about condensation through this activity. You might have observed that when we pour cold water in glass, tiny drops of water appear on the outer surface of the glass. So, from where do these droplets come? These droplets come from the air, as our air contains water vapor. On touching cold glass, water vapor changes into tiny drops of water, as you can see here, and this process is called condensation.